am back again with another hair review on some very coral, colorful hair. Okay. So this color is super cute. I really do love this color. This color is giving me like fall vibes. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. So the unit that I'm wearing right now is from Zury Sis with the sister wig collection, and her name is Hardy, and I have her in the color FFT Coral. I mean, here she is, y'all. The colors. Now, I don't think I would wear this wig with these colors in the summer. This is like fall. It is just giving me fall vibes. Close like September, October, you know, a little bit into November, where the trees are turning. I mean, it's just, so let's talk about this wig. So this wig is one of the 13 by 6 wigs. It is one of those collections. It's the HD lace transparency wig. So it's about 13 by 6 parting space. So you have a nice amount of parting space on this wig, and it's really cute, and I like it. I like the curl pattern. I like the color. Like, this is a cute wig. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. So I'm going to talk about the cons. I feel like I always start out with the cons because I want y'all to get the cons out the way. So, you know, it may be some things you may be thinking about. Well, what if it does this and this and this and this? So let me just go ahead and get out the way. So this hair is going to shed because it's curly. I was getting some shedding while I was styling it and all that stuff. It's going to tangle because it's curly. And of course, I was getting some tangling while I was styling. It's just, I've been wearing units so long that it just doesn't surprise me anymore, because I know that curlier wigs tangle and shed. So I'm not gonna get really upset if a synthetic curly wig is tangling and shedding on me, because it's just gonna do that. But other than that, I feel like that's all the cons that, oh, one more con. The lace. The lace coloring, I feel like if you have more melanin than others, you're gonna need your foundation powder to kind of cover that up in the front, because the color, it's not even brown. It's just like this, I don't know, it's a weird palish vanilla color. I don't even know what the color is, and I don't think it would match anybody's skin tone. So I had to add some foundation powder on the edge because I wanted to look, you know, more realistic, you know. But other than that, the shedding, the tangling, and the color of the lace, I feel like would be my cons. Pros would be that the color is gorgeous. You can pretty much style it any way you like. I did a little simple twist. But I feel like you can style this hair pretty much any way how you like. You don't have to put it in a ponytail. You don't have to put it up. You can put it down. It is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. Yeah, I'm trying to think of some other pros about this hair. I mean, I kind of feeling myself with this hair, to be honest. I really don't want to take it off. Now, I will say this wig is not an everyday wig. Do not try to go to work with this beautiful synthetic curly wig every day at work. It's going to tangle, it's going to shed. By the time you get home on that third day, you're going to have some nape issues. And you're going to be a little upset. I say this all the time. I don't feel like I say it enough, but synthetic wigs, not even synthetic, just wigs in general, this nape area, which is the back of your neck, is going to tangle, especially when it's hot outside and sweaty and it's just hot. It's gonna tangle even during the colder times. Now, it's not cold yet, but it will mat up a little bit if you try to wear this every day. So I feel like this wig is most definitely a celebratory wig, a ball type wig, a date night wig. It's not an everyday, let me go and put this wig on my head at work type wig. It's just not one of those type wigs. But I'm really excited that Zury Sis has decided to step on board with the 13x6 wigs, because I've always been a fan of them. I've always liked the wigs they came out with, and it's just, you know. Let's talk about this cap construction. So there are 2 combs in the middle of your head, one in the back, adjustable straps, and there is an elastic band. The elastic band is adjustable, so this wig is definitely big head friendly. So if you feel like you don't want to, if you're on the fence about getting this wig because you know you're on the larger head size, get it, because it'll fit you. You don't want to use the adjustable straps. The adjustable straps, because I definitely didn't use those. I used the elastic band. That's all I used to tie in this wig. And you know, I kind of glued it down, but it's neither here or there. It'll fit your head. So yeah. Now this wig is about curly. It's about 18 inches. I feel like if you wanted to get rid of these beautiful curls and make it straight, it would probably be about 22 inches. But I really like this wig, y'all. And you know, I get attached to wigs. Like, I don't want to take them off. And you're like, hey, you wanna stay on my head while I go to sleep, knowing that that's going to be a nightmare? Lovelies, I appreciate you coming back and watching this coral beauty that I have here. I want you to like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell, by the way, so you know that I'm uploading something. And, you know, as always, lovelies, you know, stay lovely.